give you an idea how the report look like and incremental changes while you're fixing this look like. Here's a tab where we have initial analysis, and as you see, the SQLInjection 6. And the first one was pass because there was no baseline. So for second one, which I just ran, see it's failed because were issues now considered new, and we're gonna fix a few of them. So one is in SQLInjection challenge Java, and we just will remove the section which is vulnerable for sake of simplicity for this one. So here's quick fix to just you see how count decreases. Another one on this analysis and on previous one it's also exists. This is in assignment 5, and this is login and password passed in prepared statement via string concatenation. So the way how you really supposed to do it, challenge 5, assignment 5. So the way how you really supposed to do it is you pass to the statement values via set string. So we have password login, and we have a username login. So username login is the first one, and password login is the second one. Since parameters counting from 0, so that would be 0 and 1. And here what we have to do is we just replace this with question marks. So instead of passing the strings which SQL will interpret as you actually hard-coded query, and it might have something like semicolon delete table blah. Now it will actually put it as placeholders and pass value ignoring if it will have SQL statements or not. So it's never will execute malicious code. So assignment 5 fixed and SQL challenge also fixed. Now let's go to the terminal, and as you see here, it successfully passed the previous analysis to the UI, and I'll run another Maven analysis, and then it will try to upload it. So you see it's running this Maven analysis, and you see the CPU load is a little bit increased, but still doesn't prevent us from doing anything. It's not that bad load. And here it's already finished with analysis for layer codes, so that took about 30 seconds, half a minute, and now it's uploading it to our SonarCube management, and in overview we used to have 2 analyses, now it has third one. So you see it's 30 minutes apart. So now we can analyze SQL injection now 10 instead of 12. In previous one it was 12, and we have SQL injection challenge with this vulnerability, and we have assignment 5 with another one. Here SQL injection challenge have only one ability, used to have 2, and the another one with username and password concatenated is gone from SQL injection problems list. So that's kind of proven what our fixes for these 2 files took effect. So we have now in SQL injection challenge only this problem, not the duplication of it, and this one is completely fixed. So assignment 5 is free from vulnerabilities. Okay, so just to summarize, pretty quick. We have all WebGoat code analyzed in 30 seconds. Then it's uploaded to UI, also pretty fast. And now we have all updated and can get to the rest of the issues.